Hi guys. I watch with a serious level of amazement about the microwave mentality that has crept into the world, especially among the youths. The youths are, or some of the youths anyway, are after quick gain with no work. They want dollars to fall down with no work, no investments, no brilliant ideas, no efforts, but dollars coming. It amazes me. It amazes me. The level of thinking that has crept in today, whereby people don't want to work. Let me tell you, you cannot be respected. You cannot have respect if people are giving you fish, if you don't know how to fish yourself. You must know how to make money in the right way. You say, well, who said I'm not making money the right way? What I'm doing, who said I'm not making money the right way? You know that you cannot publicly acknowledge what is your source of income. Any business you are doing, I won't mention names, but we all know those businesses, that you cannot publicly say, I'm so, this is what I do for a living. It's not a business. And today now, the world has even gone crazy that people are even acknowledging bad businesses and negative businesses as business. Please, and please, and please, respect yourself and work hard. Earn your respect by working rightly and contributing to the society. You know that you are giving your quota to the society, not by engaging in illicit activities because of quick gains, activities that involve, I don't want to mention this, but don't engage in these activities. It's alarming. It's alarming. It's alarming. Stay safe, guys.